Designers! Save the designers!
Yo, listen up, designers. AI has set the world on fire. And yes, some say our future is dire. But we ain't afraid of the bots, the code and the word. We here to make AI sing. They heard us in South by Southwest.
Save the designers!
Save the designers!
Save the designers!
And they'll hear us everywhere. AI and designers go hand in hand. Just like pumpkin and latte. Like pineapple and pizza. That's not on my pizza. AI is just that intern we all need. It may even trigger better ideas that make us all succeed. Repetitive tasks, the mundane, the meh. Get the algorithms working while we designers create the next big thing. We are reclaiming our time. We're getting back our lives. We're no longer the ones who turn off the lights. Free Pick, AI for designers.